Hey guys, this is Jam of JamOnline.ph, and today we will unbox and take a closer look on the JD-18TX Pocket Drone. So this drone is available at Steve Kyle Marketing Corporation at LAZADA, and this one is really affordable because this JD-18TX Pocket Drone is priced at 1,999 pesos. And if you want, you can actually get the one without the remote, which is the JY-018. So, if you want to buy this JD-18TX Pocket Drone, you can actually get this one with a discount. Dahil may voucher tayo sa baba, you can check out the voucher below. So, if you want to buy this one, just check out the voucher and meron ka makukuha discount when you buy it at LAZADA. Syempre sa Steve Kyle Marketing Corporation lang to. So, first things first, let's talk about its specification. So, this one comes in black, blue, and red. It also has a 0.3 megapixel camera, but if you get the blue variant, which is the one that we're unboxing right now, is meron siyang 2 megapixel na camera. So basically, better in videos nyo with the blue variant of the JD-18TX Pocket Drone. Of course, meron tayong 3.7 volts, 500 mAh of battery, which is expected to have a 7 to 8 minutes of flying time with 70 minutes of charging. I know, the drones actually doesn't have a long flight time. It's actually common and normal sa mga drones, so don't expect too much from this drones. Again, this one is really affordable, so I don't think meron ka pwedeng ireklamo regarding its battery life. So the drones actually has some stabilization features, including the headless mode function and also the altitude hold function. So basically with the headless mode, ma-stabilize yung flight time mo, and with the altitude hold, so, yun na mismo, altitude hold. So, the function is just, i-hold niya na yung altitude niya. Kung nasaan siya, mag-hold lang siya doon. So, if you're taking a video and or a photo and gusto mo na nakastabilize lang siya kasi gagalaw ko and ayaw mo magalaw yung drone, that one is really useful. So, if you're into, flying some drones and gusto mo mag-freestyle or whatever, meron tayong 3D flips and 3D rolls dito, which is awesome sa mga tao na gusto lang magpalipad ng drone and gusto lang, just to see na lumilipad ka ng drone and also do some tricks. And of course, it will come with an application which is available at Google Play and the App Store. So you don't actually have to worry about the application because this one comes with the remote. So what are we waiting for? So let's unbox the JD-18TX Pocket Drone. So yan. Very basic lang yung box natin. And okay. So, meron tayo dito ng mga tools na pag-usapan natin mamaya. And then, meron tayong syempre instruction manual na I'm pretty sure that most of you na hindi niya babasahin to once they get this drone. So, unbox na natin. So, tingnan natin dito sa loob. So, tagal natin yung plastic. So, as you can see here, we got here the remote. So, it does have a lot of buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 buttons actually. It also has some shoulder buttons. I'm not sure what these are for. I think design lang siya, which is common to most drones. We'll have to confirm mamaya. And then of course the power button, which is located here. So the battery is actually here. So kailangan natin i-screw siya. Tanggalin natin. Then makikita natin kung ano yung batteries na kailangan natin for this one. Then of course, ang pinakamahalaga, we have here the drone. Okay. So, aside sa drone, meron tayo ng clip, which is, ilalagay natin siya dito. Just slide it here. There we go. So, yan. Slide lang natin dito. Then, get your smartphone. Super easy. Yan. So, ilalagay mo lang yung smartphone mo dito. If you download the application. Kasi, mas maganda meron ka application because makikita mo yung binibidyohan mo or pinipicturean mo using the drone. So, it's like this. So, pwede nyo nang ilagay dito yung phone nyo. You can stabilize naman. So, kung lumipad yung phone ko, you should stabilize. But, yeah, as you can see, it's pretty good. And, these are the controls. We're not gonna fly this one kasi nasa loob tayo ng isang building. So, i-unbox lang natin to test out ang drone mismo. So, yeah. So, it's actually foldable. So, we have a foldable dito na isang propeller. Yan. Yan. So, as you can see, it's actually really tiny. Well, it's not the tiniest or smallest drone, but it's actually pretty tiny. And actually, I have a drone at this size. You have here the camera. of the drone, which is located here at the front. Yan. So we also have here the propellers. Yan. So there's no guard sa propellers, which means that pwedeng ma-damage yung propellers pag nag-crash land kayo or nag-crash yung drone nyo. And then of course, again, before we proceed dito, meron tayo ditong tools. So if you damage or broke yung kaniyang mismong propeller, merong included na, actually it's 4 propellers na included. I thought it's just 2. So we have 4 propellers that are included dito sa drone, which is really cool kasi there's a chance that you might break yung propellers. So we have 4 included propellers na additional dun sa box. And of course, we have here the really tiny screwdriver. Yeah, really tiny screwdriver. And of course, this one is the charger to sa battery. So the battery is located, I believe sa baba. So ito yung battery niya. It's actually placed here below dun sa drone. And what I like about it is that it actually has a case. Some drones doesn't have this. It's just the battery, which is prone to, pwede masira once mag-crash or ma-damage, matusok yung drone. And it's really dangerous mangyari yun. Kasi once masira yung battery or matusok yung battery habang nasa drone, may chance na sumabog yun. That's true. And this one, meron tayong kasamang case dun sa battery, and it's actually easy to charge. All you need is the charger. Yan, so lagay nyo lang dito. Yan. And then just plug this one USB sa kahit ano, sa charger nyo or sa kahit sa laptop nyo. It's actually possible, and it's 70 minutes yung charging niya for 7 minutes of flying time or 8 minutes of flying time. That's what the company told us, and 7 to 8 minutes isn't that bad, especially for a drone na super affordable like this one. Again, the price of this drone is $1,999. But again, let's go back dito sa remote because we have to figure out what's up with the remote. Kasi hindi ko alam, naku-curious ako, what's up with these buttons, okay? For the shoulder buttons, we have the buttons over here. Tapos mamaya balikan natin dito si drone. Okay, so kailangan natin malaman dito sa kanyang manual. May manual. Okay. So, the battery is actually 4 AAA batteries according sa manual. 4 AAA batteries inside. And then, when it comes dito sa kanyang controller, according dito sa instruction, it's really cool. So, there are different functions pala dito. I was wrong kanina, okay? So, in-unbox na natin, nalaman natin sa instruction sa manual. This one is actually the headless mode. This button. Okay, so the other one is one key return. Basically, isang pindot niya lang, bababa na or maglalanda yung inyong drone. And then this one is take a photo. So basically, pindutin niyo lang siya, take na siya ng photo. You actually need the application to utilize these things. Kailangan niyo siya. So this one, the other one is for video. This one is fine-tuning forward, fine-tuning backward, strafe left, and strafe right. So, meron pa tayong buttons dito, which is actually up and down. So, dito sa ilalim ng power button. My opinion regarding this one is it's kind of confusing to some. However, if you're just, basic lang ng flying the drones, you just need the joysticks or you just need the application. It's actually easier to fly a drone with the application kasi makikita mo using the camera. But again, I find it confusing that we have the buttons here. But once na masanay ka na, I don't think that this will be a problem to you guys. Kasi again, this is an super affordable drone. You don't have to have this, super user-friendly features. You're buying an affordable drone, so what do you expect, diba? So for beginners, I think this one is really cool. Sa mga gusto magpalipad ng drone, this is a good start for you guys. It's $1,999. Mas mahal pa ang mga phones na quad-core ngayon kaysa dito. Mas mahal pa ang Android One smartphones actually. So, wala akong magiging problema with regards to dito. So, again, we have here the battery. Babalik lang natin yung battery. So, pag-usapan natin ulit yung drone. Let's go back here sa drone. Okay guys, so we've turned on the drone. As you can see, meron tayong green flashing LED lights dito. Then we have the red sa likod. So, kahit magpalipad ka sa gabi, well, medyo mahirap kasi you need the LED lights dito sa propellers, which is useful and malalaman mo yung status yan. That's with the DJI. But again, this one is affordable. And again, we have a 2 megapixel camera dito. This one is the blue version. And you can connect through this drone using your phone, using Wi-Fi. So wala kayong magiging problema. Once you take a video or photo, it will automatically save dun sa phone mo or sa video, sa smartphone or tablet mo kung saan mo nakinonect tong drone na to. So I suggest mas maganda yung Wi-Fi chipset ng phone nyo, mas better siguro, or better actually yung kanyang range. And as you can see here, when it comes to build quality, this one is really light. I already have the battery here, pero sobrang gaan ng drone na to. And then, what I like about this one is that despite it's affordable, the price, we do have some parang rubber-like texture here. Of course, this one is parang, actually all of it is actually parang rubber-like, which means na parang hindi siya masyadong makikita sa gasgasan or madaling mabasag. Pero this one, the propeller side dito, sa ilalim, and then dito, it's actually all plastic. The propeller is actually plastic. So, may chance syempre na mahiwa ka once iano mo yung propeller, mahawakan mo yung propeller, which is basically, bakit mo gagawin yun? I don't think gagawin mo, hawakan mo yung propeller. Pero, overall, the build quality is just what you can expect sa isang drone at 1999. So, 1999. 1,999. So yeah, this is the drone. So this is the JD-18TX pocket drone. It comes with this controller, this plastic tube, and the super tiny drone. It's really affordable. It comes with some free propellers. Yan, included may mga propellers just in case you break it. For me, I think this one is for the people na gusto magkameron ng drone pero walang budget masyado, or sa mga starters na gusto mong palipad ng drone. It doesn't have the best feature sa isang drone. I don't think that this is the perfect drone for everyone, but if you want to try out or fly a drone, this is a great parang starter kit. So again, this one is available at LAZADA, Steve Kyle Marketing Corporation for 1,999 pesos. Comes with the remote, it comes with the free propellers, and yes, you have the drone here. Of course, ito yung binibili mo. So, I guess that's it for unboxing hands-on ng JD-18TX pocket drone. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, well, now's the time to subscribe. So once again, I am jumponline.ph. And again, we have a voucher below. So if you're interested, do check out the links in the description. And also, get it sa LAZADA at Steve Kyle Marketing Corporation with a voucher or discount. So yeah, see you guys again sa susunod na video.